What is up, everyone?
What is up, everybody?
I guess we said what's up on the way home from work last night with that fucking video of you.
Oh, I think we got her all set up, ready to go. So, where should we cruise today?
I don't know. Is anything coming? Oh, fuck yeah. Jesus. Yeah, last minute. I don't know. Fuck. Let's go this way, I guess.
Let's go this way. Yee. Click.
So Trippy may have a surprise for everyone come this week or next.
Fuck yeah.
Can't lock out my brakes here. Fuck. I got. Whoa. Like.
Oh, your bike up gone?
Yeah, because the caliper is all fucking loosey. Oh no, I was going to do that and that looked actually bad. Maybe next week I'll do that.
Yeah, next week.
I even had to call the bank and up the online payment.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, they had to up it to $5 grand. Well, it was only at $3 grand. It wouldn't let me buy anything, so I had to up it to $5.
God dang.
And the fuckers better deliver the son of a bitch for free.
You got it approved?
Yeah. I didn't. The bank never told when the money would be there, but it was there. I'm like, oh yeah. I woke up. I tried to make the payment as I was pooping today. And it's like, not approved. I'm like, what the hell? And then I checked the bank. I'm like, okay, I wasn't dreaming. And then I fucking try again. It's not approved. And I'm like, what the hell? PayPal says you can do like up to, I think it was $60,000 a day. I almost ate a bug. Then I look at my bank and it only allows 3,000. So I phoned the bank, waited on hold for 15 minutes. And I'm like, I need to up it to $4,000. I need to spend all the money you gave me. And they're like, the next level is $5 grand. I'm like, do it now.
Oh, like your limit?
Yeah, for online purchases.
Yeah, that's fucking mint.
Whoa.
I got a stop sign anyways.
So whatever Trippy bought anyway, well, whatever I bought, it's red. Or better. And it said they have two in stock. They only have a red and the black. The blue one's gone. I don't know. I'm getting puzzled.
That's fucking bacon.
Yeah. Baymac finally emailed me back and said they were out of stock.
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking bastards. Let's just stand on the bike path and talk. Grass it is.
I'll go around on this side.
I go around on this side. That's right back here. Oh, pop out, I'll smush it. Yeah! So I'm going to ride this bike. You know I'm not full. Well, look at all the glass.
Yeah. Hey, remember the old shadow tree?
Oh yeah, I think it's gone. No, it's still there. That's the shadow tree. We used to smoke shadow there every time before we went to the workout gym. We smoked shadow there every morning before we worked out, and then as soon as we were done working out, we smoked shadow there before we left. On foot.
Yeah. Might as fucking well been with what I was riding back then.
I was reading up on the bike, it has no storage at all.
Yeah, I didn't think so by the looks of it.
But it has Bluetooth, radio, stereo. Throw the Bluetooth away for fucking storage. God damn it! Piss me off. We gotta rig something up, I guess.
But you do a lot around the mall.
Fuck yeah.
See what's cracking around here.
Yeah. We gotta do a dip too.
Oh yeah. Dippy, dip.
I got that Copenhagen snuff.
Stuff.
If we open the container and it's completely dry, it's meant for you to do a line of it.
Oh my.
But I'm not about to do a line yet. I've ordered other snuff. Oh, I finally got the tool. I checked Northern R today and they had the tool in stock. They had 2 of them. So I bought a tool so we can pack our own pouches.
Man.
And then I ordered another 4 cans. Same thing. Let's pay $15 shipping and $5 for the tool, or let's order another 3 cans of tobacco. Well, it's actually, from this company, it's not tobacco, it's nicotine, but nicotine synthetic tobacco.
Synthetic tobacco, yeah.
But let's order 3 cans and get shipping for free. So either way, I'd say, like, I pay $15 for shipping, or I order 3 cans of tobacco, which cost, or you know what I mean.
You see, just inside the door, they have like, do not go any farther. Trippy, let's ride through the mall. Can you imagine?
Oh, if it let me in, I would have went around, like, just inside the doors. I'm fucking taking the sidewalk. Oh God.
Yeah, just having to go off of it anyways.
Anybody inside? No. Oh fuck, you know what? Remember the Denny sign? We should do a video right here.
Yeah, I remember.
Bring back some memories.
Right there too.
Yeah, back in the day we did a video to this Denny sign. And I think the bike was parked like right here.
Back when we did our sign series.
Fuck yeah. Okay guys, we'll be right back in a few minutes.
This time. I tried to answer with this thing.
No.
Twice, so
What happened was I thought I called you, but I thought you were calling me because I heard ringing.
Yeah.
And I clicked mine too.
So if I answered and hung up.
Oh yeah guys, we did another video. My jug delivery comes today. For you guys, my jug order came yesterday, I guess. Whoa. Oh, stop sign.
He's like, yeah, stop sign.
I could have turned, but I wanted to go straight to make a point and see if I could get hit. Yeah, I don't like this fine cut shit, I really don't.
Yeah, I already spit it out.
Yeah, that's I'm taking it right now.
That stuff's here is fucking.
We just did some chew, guys, but it's like really fine cut. I'm really not a fan of fine cut.
It's hard to get out.
Yeah, I just don't. Oh, glad I got pouches coming, a little tool to pack your own pouches, so that shit will be going in pouches.
Oh, straight through Katie's tire, back down through there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that stuff is fucking something else.
I don't mind the taste, but I got all these little specks in my mouth, like floating around. I like the long cut where at least it's stringy, so if it's floating around, you can spit it out. This is like taking a mouthful of coffee grind.
Yeah.
Well, that's exactly it. You guys want to see what we just went through? Go to your kitchen, fill up a quarter cup with coffee grinds, and not your instant shit, like actual.
Just take a tablespoon of coffee and shove it in your mouth.
Yeah. But I got pouches and a tool coming, and I think I'm going to try to do THC packs.
Fuck yeah, you might have to decarb it first though.
And that's what I'm planning on doing, and then making it moist.
Yeah. Might be able to swallow it, eh, Hopper?
Yeah, you're going to have to swallow. Hopper really hates. Everyone, message Hopper right now and just
say swallow.
Yeah, do the voice record on Instagram or Facebook and just say swallow. Yeah.
Oh, that smells so good.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Oh. God damn it. Yep, that was probably the worst chewing experience I ever had.
Yeah.
That was.
Besides the first one.
First one wasn't bad compared to that. If I tried that shit the first time I chewed there a week ago or two, week and a half ago, I probably wouldn't be chewing right now. No, oh jeez, that's loud.
That's my controller slapping around.
That made me want to go pee. God damn it, I got pee now. Oh, I got heartburn. I take pills for that now. Kamota Dragon. Oh, the guy actually put up a fence. The asshole put up the fence.
You still hit the trail.
Oh yeah. He's just a little bit of a dink. When the wife got a flat tire, she went to that house and he was a complete asshole to her. She got a flat tire right there and went to the house just wondering if she could leave the e-bike there till I got off work or something. And he was a complete fucking asshole. Like, I want to spit on his car. Asshole kind of.
They said no?
Yeah, he was just an asshole.
Just go to the next house.
Well, she was walking and the car stopped, the truck stopped. No, a guy was walking, that's what it was. And he said, well, let me go get my truck and I'll bring the bike back to your house. So Amber took a cab to the fucking her work at the time. With his pants in the bush. And
the other day.
Oh, he dropped the bike off at our place.
Yeah, that's pimping, I remember that. Morning.
Oh, that's such a cute puppy dog.
Puppy dog.
Yeah. Oh, that made me pee again a little bit. Look, I'm dripping down the leg and urine.
Oh yeah, I always remember that's such a bigger fucking pump here.
They better not call me and say, hey, we're going to deliver it Wednesday, okay? I'm like, ah.
I want it today, motherfuckers.
I'd be like, God, Tipsy, once the bike, once whatever I bought gets there, just put it inside. And don't drive it. You really...
Why is there 2 on this already? I don't know. Testing, I guess.
Oh, yeah, I go for my day surgery. I go for my day surgery tomorrow. Well, for you guys, it's today. I get to put something, well, I don't, but they're putting a camera down my throat so I can swallow proper.
Pizza Nova. You ever had that? I still haven't had it.
No, everyone says Pizza Nova sucks. I've had Pizza Nova in the past and it was okay, but...
That's why I never went there, because everyone says it sucks.
I've never had this Pizza Nova, but...
Look at them.
I've had it in the past.
Feels like we've already been through here today. Oh no, I guess I wasn't here.
I came down that hill today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, quiet! Oh, it's a train. Yeah. People. Oh, what a beautiful puppy.
Good old Roddy.
I had a Roddy 10 times that size. It had no neck.
No neck. Did you call him no neck?
No, I called it Clydesdale. Maritime Ontario, I can beat you. Not with this one anyways. I was so excited this morning. I already got like, cause when I do videos, I save everything like, you know, so I can just copy and paste. So I already got hashtags. I already got tags made up for the tag part of YouTube. I already got the description made. Like I got nothing else to do this morning. Let's do this. Does it make sound? Is it gas? Is it electric? What may it be? There's only one other person that knows other than the whites would be Grasshopper, I think.
Yeah, he knows.
Oh, he got his dip yesterday. He sent me a video I meant to show you. And I'll show you how it works.
I see no these.
Huh?
I know he's still down. Be good for those now. Okay, my charger.
Yeah. What the hell? A cigarette in his mouth. Jesus.
Yeah, he fucking just works on them lawnmowers now. I guess we know we're gonna need some race mowers.
Yeah. Make this do 180 kilometers an hour. No wheelie bars needed. Oh, I got a fucking urine. Urinate, I mean. So many people do not like the word urinate. Hey, that's the way of doing it. Let's not take the siding off and let's cover the fucking house up with fucking styrofoam.
Yeah, they just put new siding over top of that siding.
Yeah.
Stucco.
Something or another, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, all this fucking goddamn construction.
Wheelie. Am I? Oh yeah, I need to drive one of those rollers again. So I don't know if it was Belleville or I think it was Toronto, but there's some talks when kids go back to school in September that they have to wear masks as well.
Yeah, probably.
You know how many kids are not going to be wearing masks? Like, holy crap. I would. And I'm not mentioning any names, but she was telling me that she's heard so many people say they aren't sending their kids back to school for the first 2 to 4 weeks to see what happens. But
yeah, that'll be me for sure.
But everyone's going to be doing that, so half the kids won't be back for a month anyways.
That'll be first day of school, no one will show up. Besides the parents that just bring in the kids for the day.
Yeah, that would be me. Oh fuck, we should take a little tour through that school. The garden school. It has all the, yeah, it has all the weed plants growing.
The community garden?
Yeah, I would have mine filled up with pot.
Well, it's a community garden, so you kind of just go there and take what you need.
Oh, is that how that one works?
Yeah.
See, we were going to get a little garden box when we lived in Pickering, but like that garden box there would be all mine kind of deal.
Yeah, it might be like that. I just thought it was like the other way around.
It could be like what you're saying.
But I wouldn't want to have shit out here, man. People pissing on your fucking, you know, teenagers.
Oh yeah, people fucking
stealing your tomatoes and throwing them at cars and shit.
People watering your shit with rat poison.
Yeah, like, I wouldn't trust it.
Hey, what's all this shit? Yeah, these teenagers broke up asphalt.
They're probably on bath salt.
That's exactly it. Oh, I got brakes on gravel, just not pavement.
Uh-oh. Oh. Thought my bike stopped working
Oh,
there.
God. I'm just gonna go for it and hope for the best. I lied. That would have been sketchy as fuck. Whoa, Jesus! Wonder if Peter's home. No.
I almost fucking screamed, dude. The people on their decks were laughing.
Shark stuff.
Yeah, he's not home, right?
No, Peter's not home. His car's not here. Gotta see that.
Yeah, what time is it?
9:21. I gotta go. Oh, I can't wait to rip this trail.
Not bad. All people have been dumping leaves and shit in here.
I'm gonna be able to clear that tabletop soon.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
This is like a mini dirt bike track.
Yeah.
Wrap. Oh, this bike doesn't.
Oh shit, hit the button, bro.
And I come sideways around here, and I'll come and just totally clear this. I'll jump and then land right here, and then I'll go drop and hit the whoops with it,
And yeah, you hit this corner.
and go drop. Oh.
That section.
The fucker passed me. He thinks he's cool, eh? Well, I win. Okay, guys, that's going to be all, I guess.
That'll be the end of that. Well, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Make sure you
Hit that dislike, you fucking haters.
Yeah.
And then
all you
all you other guys, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Cheers, y'all.